Hello, let's go on an adventure today. So we are going up the Gibraltar Nature Reserve. So this is how the streets look. It's nice and clean and the roads are nice, beautiful way. So stay on, we will see how this goes. So no promises, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, we have to climb up these stairs. One, see on the other side. First, guides are so expensive in this place, and it's, I think, slow paced if you go on your own. So I've decided to do on my own. We'll see how it goes. But the only problem I'm facing is the terrain. Look at the terrain. So this is gonna be very realistic. I'll share how I exactly feel. Don't judge me for my lung capacity and my stamina, but oh well, this is it. Then stay along and elevation of the patient area. Though one that's it, steps. So this is where the real game begins, and we are officially entering the mountain. And it looks really nice. So these are called the Union Jack steps. We are here. So these are called the double gap steps. Very, very narrow and quite interesting, these ones. I think it just keeps getting narrower. Devil's Gap path, difficulty is moderate. This is a view from the Devil path. Nice, we have come far. So this is the hiking trail. It looks moderate, but it's quite slippery. I don't know if it's my shoe or is it just the trail in general. So it will be very slow. We'll see how this goes. And again, the view is nice. Tata super nadandu varada. Morning. Nice and full of energy. Really nice and all day. So இது எത്രത്തോളം இந்த எனர்ஜி மெயின்டைன் பண்ண முடியும்னு பார்த்து தான் தெரியும். நிறைய ஸ்டெப்ஸ் இருக்கு வேற. So இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும் steps going up. So it's quite nice and steep. So we'll have to climb up slowly but steadily. Waterside villas. And apparently you can see two continents from the top of the mountain. So it's Africa and of course Europe. So they say you can see Morocco from Africa and then a little bit of Spain and Gibraltar. So it's like 3 countries, 2 continents, view from one single mountain. Isn't that amazing? And this is the mountain we are climbing up to. Okay. And they've closed this road because it's danger, because of rockfall, and now we have to get this road. Up chutti will hopefully get back. So yeah, it's nice and peaceful. Our first stop, Devil's Gap Battery. So this is the ticket office. We are heading to the apes den, which will be the first official stopping point. So look who is here. Interesting Fabry macaques. Gibraltar is the only country in Europe with monkey population. Hello! Got our little monkey friends here. And And here, this is the view. So this is the cable car stop. So they have a cable car coming down from the bottom of the rock, and this is the middle stopping point, and then it goes up to the rock. So it's a very famous tourist attraction, and it's now closed for winter, and that explains why all the flights are cheaper, and it's shoulder season. So if you have any accessibility issues and if you can't climb up the rock, this is the best way to go up to the top. I think the tickets are around £48 return. So this is called the Healy's mortar. So apparently it was invented to hurl thousands of stones onto attacking forces. So it's like a little attack tool, but it wasn't very successful because most of the stones fell inside the fortress. And I appreciate that they have accessible toilet and baby changing facilities, making it feasible for everyone. We are at the first point of our tour. So this is the apes den. You can just about see the Windsor suspension bridge from there. So that's where we are headed to the top. Here we go. So we are at the Queen's balcony. This is how it looks, and we can just about see the Windsor suspension bridge from here. So the bridge you see right there, that's called the suspension bridge. So I'll be going that way, walking on that bridge and coming back up, but I don't think I can take a video from there, so I'll be like, okay. So we are getting close to my favorite point, St. Michael's Cave. I'm looking forward to this place a lot. So it shows it's this way, so let's go up. There in the Tati, they're happily walking. I feel the beauty of this place is, the more you go, you keep seeing, oh, it's only here, it's only up there. But the more you walk, the more it's there. So it's quite interesting. There's a car. Finally, somebody. Now you must be wondering why I climbed up all this while when I could have taken a car. One, car rentals are so expensive here, and I can't afford to have a car for 2 days just for me. So I'm solo traveling, so it's not worth it. And there are private car tours which go up to whopping €300 or £270, which is crazy because I took a £25 ticket and I can view everything. We're getting onto the top, so you can almost see the top. Energy levels is still not very bad, but it's quite stuffy. Konjam ear pressure is changing, so I can feel the altitude, but it's okay. It's such a beautiful view. Konjam it's getting very cold, so I've got my puffer jacket back on. It's quite nice. So we are at the entrance of the awakening. This way we can get to the cave show. There's light show inside. So we are at the entrance of the awakening experience, and we need to look out for Coco, Valley, Billy and Chica. Getting into the cave, so maintain silence. So we've almost reached the top. Hello to the monkey. So we have finally reached the skywalk.